Hello everyone, welcome back to the Prosthodontics series. This would be our last lecture in the Prosthodontics, and this would be our lecture 5. We will be talking about everything we had left from our previous lecture video on RPD. So let's get started. So some of the topics we will be covering include surveying, guide planes, pre-prosthetic surgical interventions, support, retention, and stability. These three are the main and the most important topics in denture or prosthesis or RPD, and we need to understand what gives any what part of the RPD gives them support, retention, and stability. So let's begin. So now let's start with what exactly is a guide plane and why is it important? Because that is basically like the fundamental on making or fabricating a prosthesis. So guide plane is basically it